Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Gale in Context, the college version. Gale in Context College is a database that is useful for background on your topic. The database includes encyclopedia articles, scholarly articles or academic journal articles, as well as magazine and newspaper articles that are grouped together by topic. Once you get to the home page of Gale in Context, you'll notice that there are a few options for searching as well as browsing. You can search for your topic in the search bar, or browse their list of topics under Browse Topics, which has a little light bulb icon, or you can also scroll down to see some of the topics they have featured here. So I'm going to go ahead and select Browse Topics so I can see their list of topics. And it looks like quite a long list. It looks like they organize their topics by category. They have business, they have history, and social issues, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and select social issues. Under social issues, they have different topics that could be interesting. Just as an example, I'm going to select the topic environmentalism. When I get to the environmentalism article, it looks like it has an introduction. And when I click on Read More, I get a longer article that includes a definition of the topic, some hyperlinked keywords, as well as critical thinking questions, background and goals and methods, as well as approaches to environmentalism. And it also includes a citation that you can copy and paste into your research paper at the very bottom of the page. Okay, so now that we've tried browsing for topics, let's go ahead and try searching for topics. So I'm going to go ahead and try a search for houselessness. And this is a relatively new term, so I'm wondering, yeah, and it looks like it is. It looks like they refer to houselessness as homelessness. So they use homelessness as their keyword here. And when I did this search, I got a lot of different sources here. I have academic journals. I have primary sources, so sources from the 30s and 20s as well as the 90s, as well as reference entries. So the reference entries are the same as encyclopedia articles. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and look at the encyclopedia article about homelessness. So when I scroll through this article here, you'll see that it looks a lot like the article that we saw about environmentalism. That includes an introduction and background on the topic, as well as some definitions. And it also includes a citation at the very end of the page here. So Gale in Context is a good resource to use if you need a starting point and definitions and background on your topic. If you have any questions about using this database, don't hesitate to reach out to the Shoreline Community College Library. Thank you.